Good morning, Kenneth. I'm Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai here in Hoover, Alabama. I'd like to take a moment to thank you especially for your internet inquiry on the 2015 Hyundai Accent. This is the GS model right here, and I know you had some more questions about the standard equipment that comes on the car. So I'm going to take a moment and go over those features with you. You've got some LEDs here in the headlights. You've got 5-passenger seating, and this is a hatchback take a look inside. This has the gray interior. You have an armrest here for the driver that you can take up and down, cup holders. You've got Shiftronic where you can operate the car just like a manual transmission without a clutch. Now it is standard with AM, FM, XM, and CD player. You've got your air controls here, USB and iPod, auxiliary plug and 12-volt adapters down in here. You've got standard cruise control. You've got intermittent wipers. And here are your headlights and blinker controls. It has traction control, automatic stability, brake assist is all standard on the car, as well as you've got a height adjustment for the seat, which also makes it very comfortable to get everything set just the way you like it. You get all of this and America's best warranty at 5 years and 60,000 miles on your new car bumper to bumper. 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, but when you buy from Tameron, we're going to double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles. That warranty is good nationwide, Kenneth. Come on in and see me, Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai, 380-6250. Please do call me and let's set up a time to come in and take a test drive.